Want to add some pictures to your Tinder? Here's how to add the best ones to your Tinder profile. First method to add pictures to Tinder is while signing up. You have to add pictures on Tinder while signing up. It's compulsory. Another method to add pictures to Tinder is once you are on your home page, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now, tap on Edit Profile. You can find it around your profile. Here you can see Add Photo section. Tap on the plus icon to add a new photo. Choose one from your gallery or take a new picture. For the best results, upload at least 3 clear and high quality pictures where your face is visible. Tinder also has smart photos which automatically select your best performing pictures. Turn it on if you'd like. Once uploaded, tap Save. Now your matches will see your updated photos. If you can't upload photos, check your Tinder permissions in your phone settings and make sure it has access to your gallery. And that's it. Your Tinder profile is now more attractive. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.